As fall approaches, many students are preparing to head back to college or embark on their college journey for the first time. Whether you're moving into a dorm or an off-campus apartment, a stress-free road trip can make the transition smoother. Renting the car offers convenience, flexibility, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for your move. Here are some tips to help you plan and execute a smooth and stress-free back-to-college road trip. The convenience of renting a car. Flexibility. With a rental car, you have the freedom to set your own schedule. You can make stops along the way, take scenic detours, and explore at your own pace without relying on public transportation or ride shares. Comfort and space. Rental cars come in various sizes and styles, allowing you to choose the best fit for your needs. An SUV or minivan can provide the extra space needed for a comfortable journey with all your belongings. Cost-effective. Affordable rental cars are available to suit different budgets. By comparing prices and looking for deals, you can find a cost-effective option that meets your needs. Planning your back-to-college road trip. Choose the right vehicle. Consider the amount of luggage and belongings you'll be transporting. For a college move-in, a larger vehicle like an SUV or minivan might be necessary to fit everything comfortably. Pack smart. Make a packing list to ensure you don't leave anything behind. Pack items in an organized manner, with clearly labeled boxes for easy unloading. Don't forget to include personal essentials like bedding, toiletries, and important documents. Plan your route. Use GPS and travel apps to plan your route, find the best rest stops, and avoid traffic. Having a well-thought-out plan can reduce stress and make the journey more enjoyable. Research interesting stops and attractions along the way if you have time for a break. Tips for a smooth journey. Schedule regular breaks. Long drives can be tiring. Schedule regular breaks to stretch your legs, grab a snack, and take in the sights. This can prevent muscle cramps, excessive fatigue, and can keep everyone in a positive mental attitude. Keep entertainment handy. Bring along books, games, and electronic devices to entertain passengers during the drive. Audiobooks and podcasts can also be a great way to pass the time and make the journey more enjoyable. Stay organized. Keep important documents, such as your rental car agreement, driver's license, and insurance information, in an easily accessible place. This can save time and reduce stress if you need to reference them during your trip. Prepare for the unexpected. Have a plan in place for unexpected events, such as car troubles or bad weather. Pack a basic emergency kit with items like a flashlight, first aid supplies, and a spare tire. Knowing you're prepared can provide peace of mind, making the most of college move-ins. Arrive early. College campuses can be crowded during move-in days. Arriving early can help you secure a good parking spot and avoid long lines at check-in. This also gives you more time to settle into your new space. Take advantage of campus resources. Many colleges offer move-in assistance and resources for new students. Check the college's website for information on move-in schedules, parking regulations, and available services. Utilizing these resources can make the process smoother. Explore the area. If you have time, take a moment to explore the college town. This can be a fun way to familiarize yourself with the area and find local spots you might enjoy. It also provides a nice break from the hustle of moving in. Conclusion. A stress-free back-to-college road trip is achievable with a bit of planning and preparation. Renting the car offers the convenience, flexibility, and comfort needed for a smooth journey, whether you're heading to college for the first time or returning for another year.